Okay, there's a couple things you need to know about air plants or Tillandsia. Number one, air plants do need water, but we don't water the root system. The roots are designed to actually hold the plant in place, like on a tree or a branch. Where we water is the actual foliage, so it uptakes its water through the leaves. Number two, after you water it, you want to turn it upside down or make sure that the center of the plant can drain out. Standing water in the middle of the plant might kill it. Don't let water sit in there. Number three, they do need sunlight. You can't stick it in a drawer in your dresser and enjoy your Tillandsia hidden in the sock drawer. It's got to get ambient light. It doesn't want direct full sunlight, it wants ambient light. So somewhere where there's a window, but maybe not getting really harsh sunlight. Finally, you can mount them on things, and I want to show you a couple of display options. So one display option is this really beautiful grape wood. This was taken off of an old grapevine. And as you can see, we permanently mounted these with an E6000 glue. And so it's really beautiful. They have this really great, fun look to them. And we drilled some holes into the grape wood and we used the E6000 glue. So you got this beautiful Tillandsia arrangement. So I think that's really pretty. Another option is a little more modern look. So these little pieces right here. So you can just put that on your coffee table. You got this little metal, this little square, rectangular little block of wood. And I think that's really pretty. Another way to do it is on this chala wood. So this is a type of, wood, I guess. Chala wood, I don't even know what it is. But anyway, chala wood has all these holes in it, which is quite fun. I like the holes in the chala wood. But this little air plant has been mounted again permanently to it. This is an Ionantha, which is really pretty. And some of these Tillandsias have been enhanced. Let's talk about enhancements. So an example of an enhancement is on this particular one, you can see the tips are red. Now Tillandsias naturally can have this, we call it coloring up, or before they bloom, the foliage will actually turn a color. These have actually been painted, so they'll be like that for as long as the leaves are there probably. It is nice to have some color because they don't color up all the time, just like plants don't flower all the time. But Tillandsias do flower, and the flower is really beautiful, and they're all a little different. So this plant will flower eventually, so it's really pretty. Another fun thing to show you is these little sea urchins. So the sea urchins are really cool. You can hang them, and then you have the Tillandsia kind of mounted on the inside and hung up. Another way to do it is on a wreath. And so we have this beautiful kind of fall-ish wreath. All I need to do is just put like a big red bow for Christmas time, and you can see these beautiful living air plants, which is very pretty, very fun, and sit right on your door as long as, again, it gets ambient light and you water it once or twice a week. So great gift ideas, great plants, and if you haven't tried Tillandsia, prices range from $3.99 to $27.99 and up for really big ones. But they're not very expensive and they don't require a lot of work. So give Tillandsia a try.